heavy equipment and emergency vehicle industries. We also sell items like regular toggle switches, circuit breakers, lighted tip toggle switches, toggle breakers, rocker breakers, all different colors and styles. You can check all these items out on our website. This introduction video outlines the basic parts of the switch. First, you have two basic kinds of the body. This is a standard body, and this has a raised bracket. On the body, you have installation wings, and these are flexible wings that hold it into place in the panel. So in a panel, to take it out, you can press those wings down one at a time and kind of walk the switch out. It's very easy. And boom, and it pops out, and to put them in, the switch will just pop in place like that. The actuator can be removed with a tool, snap back in place, or you can just pop it off with your fingers. There's some markings on the side of the body of the Carling rocker switches, the most important of which is an alphanumeric sequence. It's 4 characters long. It'll begin with a V like Victor. So this one I believe is V1D1, and these numbers signify the configuration of the switch. Although a full part number is 14 characters long, this 4-digit number will be enough so you can search on our website. The next line, or next to it, is going to be the voltage. The voltage really refers to the bulb voltage. So it's important if you have a bulb, otherwise it's fairly irrelevant. These switches are good for most AC and DC applications. Keep in mind that any high amperage draw should be handled through a relay and not directly through the switch. The terminal locations on these switches have a funny numbering scheme. This would be an 8-terminal body. Also available is a 10-terminal body. Now all the terminals aren't in place, but you'll see 2 slots down for the 2 extra terminals. The top 2 terminals do not get counted first. There'll be numbers on the side here, or they'll be on the side of the body. So it goes 1, 2, 3. Then you move to the side, and it'd be 4, 5, 6. Then you move to the top for 7 and 8, and the bottom 2 terminals would be 9 and 10. In video number 5, we'll explain that further about lighting sequences. Also in video number 2, terminal identifications and functions, will explain this further. Carling rocker switches have 2 possible bulb locations. Number 1, which we'll call the top, is going to be above terminals number 1 and 4. Bulb location number 2, which we'll call the bottom, is going to be above terminal locations number 3 and 6. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That concludes our introductory video on the Carling rocker switch.